8 popular foods that immediately halt your fat burning. You're all happy burning fat, and suddenly you eat one of these 8 bomb foods. After doing that, you immediately block your fat burning for hours. And now, you want to know what the 8 foods are? And here's a warning. They are extremely popular. So, let's get started. How does the body store fat? The body stores fat through a process called lipogenesis, which is the increase in number and size of fat cells, adipocytes. Meanwhile, fat burning occurs through lipolysis, which releases stored energy from fat cells to be used by the body. What is the hormone in our body that promotes lipogenesis and blocks lipolysis? The answer is the insulin hormone. Congratulations, if you got it right. The insulin hormone plays a crucial role in this balance, promoting lipogenesis and inhibiting lipolysis, which leads to fat storage and blocks its burning. Insulin, therefore, is directly associated with weight gain when its action is stimulated, especially by foods that rapidly raise blood sugar levels. This physiological mechanism is well documented in scientific literature, indicating insulin as a key factor in the storage of body fat and in preventing fat burning. Understanding this dynamic is essential to recognize how certain foods can influence the balance between fat storage and burning in the body, highlighting the importance of conscious food choices for those looking to effectively manage body weight. Based on this, now you are ready to know the list of 8 foods that block your fat burning. Let's get started. Number 1. Fruit juice. Contrary to popular belief, fruit juices are not allies in weight loss. In fact, they can be counterproductive. Juices like orange juice, despite being natural, are loaded with sugars, sucrose, glucose, and fructose, acting almost like a pure dose of sugar. This high sugar content stimulates the production of insulin, a hormone that regulates blood glucose, leading to fat storage instead of its burning. Thus, starting the day with fruit juice may not be as beneficial as thought, as it floods the body with sugars, favoring fat accumulation. A healthier alternative is to consume the whole fruit. By doing so, not only sugar is ingested, but also fibers, which slow down the absorption of sugar into the blood, moderating the insulin response and reducing the tendency for fat storage. Therefore, choosing fruit instead of juice not only contributes to a lower intake of simple sugars, but also leverages the benefits of fibers, supporting more effective weight management and improved metabolic health. Number 2. Bread. Bread, an extremely popular food, is primarily made from wheat flour, whether whole or not. When we consume bread, our body converts it into blood glucose, which can lead to a rapid increase in insulin. This process can promote fat storage and prevent its burning. Therefore, if you are trying to lose weight, whether through diet, fasting, or any other strategy, the consumption of bread can be counterproductive. It signals the body to store fat instead of burning it. This is not a secret. It is a well-known fact that bread can contribute to weight gain, not loss. This is important to take into account, especially for those committed to weight loss strategies, as it highlights the direct relationship between the consumption of foods rich in simple carbohydrates and the regulation of insulin and fat storage in the body. Number 3. Cereal bar. Cereal bars, often promoted as a healthy snack and a tool for weight loss, are actually less beneficial than many believe. Despite being marketed as rich in whole grains and a fitness option, they can be quite misleading. Often, these bars are loaded with added sugars, making them resemble a chocolate bar more than a healthy food. Consuming these bars can paradoxically impede fat burning, as the body prioritizes metabolizing the abundant sugar in the blood instead of burning stored fats. Therefore, those looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy lifestyle might want to reconsider consuming these bars as a snack. Instead of aiding in weight loss, they can contribute to weight gain, challenging the popular perception that they are a nutritious choice. It's important to be aware of this reality and seek healthier alternatives for snacks and dietary supplements. Number 4. Sweetened coffee. Consuming sweetened coffee and tea, whether with regular sugar, honey, coconut sugar, demerara, or brown sugar, can significantly hinder the body's ability to burn fat. This is because adding sugar to these drinks raises blood insulin, a hormone responsible for promoting fat storage, thus interrupting the fat-burning process that could be occurring, especially at times when the body uses fat as its primary energy source. The recommendation is to enjoy coffee and tea in their pure form without sweetening, to not impair metabolism. If the absence of sweetness is a difficult barrier to overcome, opting for non-caloric sweeteners may be a temporary solution. However, dependence on sweet taste is discouraged, as getting used to excessively sweet flavors can limit control over one's eating habits. The ideal is to seek a balance that allows for enjoying these drinks in a healthy manner, maintaining control over cravings for sweets, instead of being dominated by them. Number 5. Sodas and sweetened drinks. Sodas and other sweetened beverages are among the largest contributors to increased intake of added sugars in the modern diet. They are virtually devoid of nutritional value, offering empty calories that neither satisfy nor provide health benefits. Frequent consumption of these drinks is closely linked to weight gain and a higher risk of developing chronic diseases, such as type 2 diabetes, heart diseases, and obesity. The reason behind this is how the body processes liquid sugar. It is rapidly absorbed into the bloodstream, leading to spikes in insulin. Insulin is an anabolic hormone that signals the body to store energy in the form of fat. Moreover, regular consumption of sugary drinks can lead to an increased preference for sweet foods, fueling a vicious cycle and excessive calorie intake, making weight control and maintaining a balanced diet even more challenging. Number 6. Tapioca. Tapioca, widely consumed around the world, is the 6th food mentioned as a blocker of fat burning. Although it is not considered toxic and can fit into a healthy diet for those who are at an ideal weight, are not looking to lose weight, and do not suffer from diseases like diabetes, tapioca is critically viewed when the goal is weight loss. Composed of 100% starch, it is quickly transformed into glucose in the blood, stimulating the release of insulin and consequently inhibiting fat burning, which can lead to weight gain. This process is easily understood through the basic physiology of the human body, highlighting that the combination of tapioca with sources of fat exacerbates the scenario, as the metabolism prioritizes the breakdown of starch, storing the consumed fat at an even faster rate. Contrary to the image built by the industry and the media that tapioca is a fitness food, it is essential to recognize its potential impact on increasing insulin and on weight gain, depending on the dietary objectives of each individual. Science and evidence are clear about its effect on the body, regardless of personal opinions, emphasizing the importance of a conscious food choice. Number 7. Refined pastas. Refined pastas, such as white pasta, are made from flour that has had most of its fiber and nutrients removed. This refining process not only reduces the nutritional content, but also affects how the body metabolizes these foods. Refined pastas have a high glycemic index, GI, meaning they are digested and absorbed quickly, causing a significant increase in blood glucose levels and, consequently, insulin. This glycemic and insulin response can promote fat storage and increase the risk of developing insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes over time. Furthermore, high GI foods tend to be less filling, which can lead to overconsumption of calories and weight gain. Incorporating whole grain pastas instead of refined ones can help moderate the glycemic response, promoting a more prolonged feeling of fullness and contributing to better weight control and metabolic health. Number 8. Processed sweets and desserts. Processed sweets and desserts are high in added sugars, trans fats, and calories, while being low in essential nutrients such as fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Consuming these foods not only contributes to an increase in daily caloric intake, but also leads to spikes in insulin levels in the blood. These spikes are followed by rapid drops in sugar levels, leading to a cycle of hunger and an increased craving for sugary foods. Moreover, the trans fats present in many of these products are known for their negative effects on cardiovascular health, increasing bad cholesterol, LDL levels, and decreasing good cholesterol, HDL. In the long run, regular consumption of processed sweets and desserts can contribute to the development of obesity, insulin resistance, type 2 diabetes, and heart diseases. Opting for homemade desserts made with whole and natural ingredients can be a healthier alternative, allowing control over the amount of sugar and fats used and potentially incorporating some beneficial nutrients into the diet.